60 seconds with Femi, correct pidgin and is now they do, and na the trucker experience now carry today 60 seconds with Femi come. You fit win tickets to the trucker experience of Port Harcourt. Just predict the scoreline for the match wey go play tomorrow, Arsenal and Manchester United. Just use hashtag 60 seconds with Femi. Wetin we dey look today na Modric and the Ballon d'Or award wey he win yesterday. Many people don dey talk say no, say Modric no suppose collect this award, only I don collect FIFA award, only I don collect UEFA award. Say what of Ronaldo and Messi? They no play ball this year. Some people don talk say abeg you don do, say for the past 10 years Ronaldo and Messi just dey collect the award for the world. Say e no good, say e good now make new face win am. I wan know wetin you think. E good as na new face dey win am. Modric, some people don dey even talk say if you wan even think like this, say when Iniesta and Xavi dey play ball, they still carry this award give Ronaldo and Messi. When Iniesta and Xavi dey ball for Spain, say na who ball reach these guys dem for midfield, dem carry am give Ronaldo and Messi. Say no good, say wetin good for Tamuno suppose good for Dokuba also. So I wan know this morning, wetin you think about the Ballon d'Or award wey dem do yesterday? Modric na him be the best player for the whole world according to all the award wey he don collect this year. Wetin you think about this Ballon d'Or award? Wetin you think? Na Modric suppose win am, abi na another person suppose win am? Mbappe sef win the young player of the year award. Wetin you also think about that one? E get any young player wey better pass Mbappe? Maybe Rashford.